we're gonna be putting skincare today on my mom's room. Skincare. Boom, boom, boom. We got the skincare already anyways, guys. So, yeah, that's how we got it. And that, it's just my shirt that's like that. But, yeah. Anyways, I put the skincare on, and that's kind of fun. This is my curly hair. Well, I didn't brush it today. And this other hair, but it's fine, you know, right? So that's how it looks like. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Anyways, yeah, that's how it looks like. Nar. Nar, nar, nar.